to all of the community and the new people who are coming to this beautiful channel. My name is Fernando Sanchez. This time I come to you with a great video on how to write stories and publish them so that more people can read you and react with a comment and make it popular on the platform itself. First of all, I want to tell you that if you don't know what Top-Conquerors is, I'll tell you below that this website is a platform where people post content stories of all kinds, whether it's useful or telling you how to generate income or how to use a design program such as Adobe Photoshop, Paint Toolsai and more. In this video I will be explaining how to become popular in Top-Conquerors and that more people find out what you are writing on this great platform. Of course, you can also download it from Google Play by clicking on this part and it will take you the link to download it from Google Play. It is not yet for iPhone but it will be soon. So what we are not interested in is how to publish stories. Well, first of all, you have to create an account, which is very simple. If you don't know how to create an account, in the description or a direct part, I'll be leaving you the link so you can go see the video on how to create an account, which is very easy to create. One account. So check that video that I'm going to be leaving you on the screen or in the description, and then, without further ado, let's start with the video. To start, we see that we are on the Top-Conquerors homepage. This page is very similar to Wattpad, and Facebook is a very cool platform. Very interesting because it has a very interesting algorithm. The trend tells you which are the most viewed posts at the moment. This is in the top one of the most viewed posts page, and there you can also check that there are posts as well interesting, and there they publish stories like Foquita Studios and others. Well, they can publish, they can also chat with users but send a message and so on, and all you have to do in this on the Top-Conquerors platform is go to your profile. Go here to your profile by, of course, you have to have an account and log in. Well, once you have the account, and let's assume that you click on my profile before, all you have to do is go to your profile here. What you have to do immediately is sign up. Profile photo and a cover, because the important thing is that people who are going to meet you, if they don't know you yet. Of course, for a better visualization on the platform, it is recommended that it be 200 by 200 pixels, so we choose a profile image, an image that is striking. For example, I am going to place an image to see. I am going to place an image. It is relative to what I am going to publish. Of course you can put any photo you like, and I can put some type of this, even well, also the cover of a book and others. I'm going to put this avatar, seems pretty nice to me, so I put it here. You can also put the how do you want it to look? Which section of the image do you want to be visible? I'll put this part on it. I find that part beautiful. We're going to cut it out and keep it the same. This video doesn't save it automatically. The platform loads this. You can place the profile cover photo as well, but we'll leave this for another video. All you have to do is scroll down into the index publish on this site for the audio and video channel. So let's go down. Here it is to post on the wall. The only thing you have to do here is put the title of your story, the labels, so that the code appears to other applications. For example, we can put a story about, let's put e.g. Hurricane Babylon as an example. This example that I am putting is this horror theme. We put horror suspense, or you should put labels according to what your story is about. In a very important category, the category becomes history. In this they have all the stories that you want to tell. Here you put, for example, the title with the chapter, for example chapter 1, and you are placing it as history, the Hurricane of Babylon punished, completing with the text going down there, something like that you saw down, placing the text, and you go adding with what follows. You can have me have all your texts written by putting your chapter. You can put there, you choose an image that is significant with your stories. We can put an image. I put this at random and we automatically place send message and your would be published story. That's simple. I'm seeing if the story is uploading the image. It is uploading, and automatically we have to be patient, and it is redirected to the publication. We see that the story was already published. That simple, and this was that simple. The story was published and it would be here. We have to go here. The story was published on this day. People can react with likes. I love a flower. I have fun, or other stories appear and the story would be published there. They can automatically make another publication and make the next chapter. Well, this was all for today. I hope you are interested in participating with these stories, for example the stories, and if you want to do them in a creative way you can place another image, for example like King Tony, who also publishes other stories, as he also published true stories that all the medieval times past, and he also publishes something like that, he puts little flags and so on. It's a matter of being creative. He used the tags King England well. You can also check other stories, so we won't see until the next video. I hope this video is useful for you and that you dare to publish your writings on the platform. See you in the next video. Bye.